Hello guys, my name is Matthew and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Propital in Escape from Tarkov. So what Propital does? It's basically a stimulant that will help you recover HP that you lost in fight. You can also use it pre-fight, but it's quite expensive. So what do we have here? The use time is 2 seconds, so it's very fast to use. When you got hit, you got some bleeds on, not very serious damage, and you want to remain battle ready. What it does, for 4 minutes it removes pain, so it works like a basic painkiller, but the biggest advantage is it will regenerate your health for 5 minutes, increase your metabolism skill for 5 minutes, also health and vitality. Disadvantages: it will give you tunnel vision for 30 seconds and a hand tremor after it finishes off your healing. Even though those disadvantages aren't very severe, it's very useful. You can use it in multiple occasions, like you pop into a fight and you got hit by a first rounds, you got some bleeding, you pop a Propital and you are healing back. It's very big advantage. Also, when you finish the fight and you want to be ready as fast as possible with some blacked out limbs or legs or whatever, and you are healing yourself with your survival kit. Let's say you have your arms broken and you pop a Propital. Once you fix your first arm, it's already healing by Propital. In the meantime, you are fixing your second arm. So you are saving a lot of time in combat or after the combat. It's very cheap, it's like 26,000 rubles, and you can also find it in a rate. So way to go. Thanks for watching, hopefully it will help you, and see you in the next video.